What's up, everybody? My name is Oscar Ntege. I'm a photographer and I love shooting people. Are you a photographer, a retoucher, a hobbyist, a Photoshop geek, and want to up your photography game? Well, this is an opportunity for you to grow and develop your craft. It is a lifetime opportunity for you to add value to your craft in just one single workshop that is going to happen for 2 days. Day one is going to be about lighting. I'm going to show you how to creatively use your strobes, speed lights, reflectors, diffusers, continuous lighting. I'll show you how to be creative in and out of studio. Day two, we're going to learn about retouching. This is going to be basic and high-end retouching. In this, we're going to tackle the power of frequency separation. We're going to see techniques like dodging and burning. Upping your photography game has never been this easy. For a long time, photographers, retouchers all over the world have been asking me, Oscar, what techniques do you use to edit your pictures? What software do you use? What kind of camera do you use? Well, this workshop is going to answer all those questions. I'm going to show you my workflow and what techniques I use to get the fabulous images you see all over the web. To be honest, you're not going to get anything out of this workshop. But guess what? This workshop is going to get the best out of you because I believe in you. I believe you're a great photographer. Come, let's lunch together as you become a master of photography. I really can't wait to see you.